HP LaserJet Managed E7 Workgroup Printer, plus 6GW55A LaserJet Stapler Stacker Finisher Unboxing and Setup. This video will show how to unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Stapler Stacker Finisher on the HP LaserJet Managed Workgroup Printer. Begin by cutting and removing the shipping bands. Lift and remove the top of the cardboard box. Remove the tray of accessories. Cut along the edges on the bottom of the cardboard box and fold down the flap. Remove the styrofoam. Carefully lift the finisher and slide it off the shipping pallet and onto its wheels. Caution: the printer finisher is heavy. 2 people must lift and stand it up. Remove the plastic bag. Remove the blue tape from the front, sides, and rear of the finisher. Lift the top door and remove the blue tape. Then, close the top door. Open the front door. Remove the blue tape. Close the front door. Locate the accessories you removed earlier and remove them from the packaging. Now you can prepare the printer for installation of the finisher. Press the power button to turn the printer off. Then, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and remove any cables. Remove the 2 screws from the side power cover. Then, remove the cover. Remove the screw that secures the upper output tray cover. Remove the upper output tray cover. Locate the paper setting guide bracket and the tabs that secure it. Slide the bracket toward the front of the printer to remove it. Locate the bin full actuator. Raise the bin full actuator and push it towards the inside of the printer until it snaps in the upright position. Some force might be needed to snap it into place. Remove the 2 screw caps and screws that secure the output tray. Remove the output tray cover. Lift up and out to remove the output tray. Now you can unbox and prepare the second exit for installation. Open the box and remove the installation guide. Then, remove the second exit from the box. Remove the foam end caps. Remove the plastic bag. Remove the blue tape and the small bag containing the mounting screws. Remove the remaining blue tape. Now you can prepare the printer for second exit installation. Open the right door. Remove the 2 screws from the front side cover. This will make removing the right side cover easier. Remove the 4 screws that secure the right side cover. Remove the right side cover. Insert the second exit into the printer. Be sure to align the screw holes on the side of the second exit with the holes in the chassis. Use the 2 screws that came with the second exit to secure it to the printer. Insert the 2 second exit cables into the connectors. Replace the right side cover and apply pressure to snap it in place. Replace the 4 screws that secure the right side cover. Replace the 2 screws that secure the front side cover. Close the right door. Replace the side power cover, then replace the 2 screws that secure it. Next, slide in the Intermediate Paper Transfer Unit, or IPTU. Install the screw that secures the IPTU to the printer. Remove the blue tape from the IPTU cable. Next, open the front door of the finisher. Remove the blue tape and foam from the stapler. Then remove the shipping screw and caution label. Rotate the green wheel to the left until the spring-loaded white tab is exposed under the stapler. Then, rotate the green wheel to the right until the stapler moves back to the front position and stops. While holding the green wheel, insert the stapler cartridge holder into the stapler. Pry the cover out of the punch waste bin opening. Install the punch waste bin label. Then, insert the punch waste bin. Close the front door. Remove the two screws that secure the punch unit access panel on the rear of the finisher. Remove the punch unit access panel. Remove the two screws that secure the dummy punch unit. Remove the dummy punch unit. Note: save the dummy punch unit in case the hole punch fails. It must be reinstalled for the finisher to operate properly without a hole punch installed. Carefully slide the punch unit into the finisher. Align the mounting bracket at the rear. Install the screw that secures the punch unit to the finisher. Then, insert the punch unit cable into the connector. Replace the punch unit access panel. Replace the two screws that secure the punch unit access panel on the rear of the finisher. Insert the tabs on the lower tray support brackets into the slots on the finisher and lower them into place. Install the two screws to secure the lower support brackets to the finisher. Note: 4 tabs on the tray snap onto the mounting brackets. Screws are not required to secure the tray. Position the tray over the support brackets and then lower it straight down to install it. Next, insert the tabs on the upper tray into the slots in the finisher and lower the tray into position. Pull out the tray extension and remove the blue tape. Close the extension. Peel off the cover label over the connector near the rear bracket. Next, install the 2 rear brackets using 4 screws to secure them. Position the finisher near the left side of the printer, and then connect 2 cables. Open the finisher front door. Pull out the locking rail until it stops. Align the brackets on the printer to the holes on the finisher, and then roll the finisher against the printer. Push in the locking rail. Close the front door. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. The stapler stacker finisher and printer are now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.